Okay, good evening all. This session is just to discuss some stocks and as I told, I will share my views, and the views are just for educational purpose. Okay, I think my voice is audible now, so I will start with the discussion. Even I am recording the session so that it is useful for you people if you just would like it. Okay, I'm audible, right? Okay, thank you. Yes. So this chart I found very interesting. This is PNB housing, PNB housing chart. Okay. Now, if you see, this is in continuously downtrend. Is continuously in downtrend. Okay. Now, uh, on this particular day, say this February 15th, if you can see the date here, there was a good move from this point. Okay. So we can say this is one of the good point where there are we have good buyers. So which is around 348 to 350. Okay. Further, if you see, there is one more point where I am very much interested. This 200 DMA line, if you can see this one, this black colored line, it is indicating 200 DMA, which comes out to be around 340. 340. So we can start accumulating this from 350 onwards. Okay, accumulate it in dips till 340. Your stop loss should be 328. Okay, so I'll delete the lines and I'll just show you the price action. See, initially the move started from this point, यहाँ से ऊपर गया. Okay, then there was some correction, then again the stock went up, it made a high of this point, now it has come down. So here I see there is good buying which has happened this point, which is around 350, and here there is one more point. Okay, you can buy it from 350 and 340, but your stop loss should be 330 in this range, 330 328 range. Okay, so I think this will be very good. Okay, very good to invest, because you will get back again this level very soon. Okay, so this is what the daily structure, what it is showing, and this is the higher time frame. See, the stock has corrected from this point, actually this stock is available at very no very good valuation, and technically if we see, we are buying at a good level where we have seen some strong buying, maybe some institution buying. Okay, so this is one of the stock. Then I told you I'll discuss about energy stocks. So let's start with BPCL. I'm discussing, say, oil companies. Okay, so see, this is near 200 DMA. This line is indicating, black colored line is indicating 200 DMA line. So which you can see here, it is near that point. It is taking support of that point. Okay, so so that is considered to be a good support. And if you see this line, or if you concentrate here in this part of the chart. Okay, here, now here some good buying has happened. That is why the stock from this point, means after this correction, from this point it has made a high of this point. So if you see, from 400 to 483. Okay, now again it is at that level, and 200 DMA is acting like support. Okay, and we have seen a good candle over here, a good candle, means at this point there is some good buying happened. So here we have seen a good candle, the stock has closed here. Okay, and in the group I have mentioned that above 421 it will give good breakout, but from that point it suddenly moved up like 4 to 5 points, then again it has come down, but it is closing above 421. 421 is your EMA 20 line, 421 point is your EMA 20 line, तो उसके ऊपर ही close हुआ है. So I consider this to be good closing. Now again in coming days it can give you good breakout. Okay, and those who follow trend line and other things, there is also this thing that it is like a trend line breakout. यहाँ पे कुछ ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट भी है. So if you carefully see, I'll just make this line little darker so that it is visible to you. Okay, see how many points it has touched. 1 here, 2, 3, okay, 4. Now this is trend line breakout. So that is why I'm bullish in this stock. So there is good buying which has happened, followed up by a breakout in the trend line. Okay, this is BPCL. Then we have Hind Petro or HPCL. Almost we see the same structure in BPCL and HPCL. Okay, sometimes they are slightly different. Okay, now this HPCL, if you see this triangle in a broad way, it is in this range from long time. Okay, so as I told, in this already there is some strong buying which has happened. So this was the point where the buyers were very interested, is at this point. So see this sharp buying from this point, the stock has gone to this point. Okay, say from 220 to 260 almost. Okay, now again the stock is taking support at this point only. Okay, now if you see these two candles, strong buying has happened. Now it is consolidating and it is facing the resistance of this EMA 20 line, which is here 234 range. It is facing the resistance. Once it crosses this EMA 20 line, you can expect at least 5 to 10% move. Okay, from long time it is facing the resistance of that line only. But now once it crosses and comfortably closes above this, again we can see very good breakout. Okay, it's been very long time these stocks are, have not performed up to the expectation level. So you can see in monthly chart also. So this has a high point of this point and the stock is trading now at this point. So you can see 237 to 490. Again there is huge upside potential. Okay, and in other sectors we have seen very good move. Here in this stock, move has not yet come. Okay, next IOC. Okay, in IOC also we can see, like as I told earlier, they are reacting from a range where good buying has happened. Okay, so if you clearly see, this is the low point which is somewhere here. So here there was a good buying seen which took the stock from this point to this point. Okay, and here it faced 3 times the resistance, 1 2 3 at this high point. Now again it has corrected. Okay, now this is the low point. And I forgot to tell you that there is a pattern, candlestick pattern which has happened in this stock, which is bullish harami pattern here. This, if you know this, so this is again a bullish sign. Now this stock is hovering around this 200 DMA line or 200 moving average line. So once it closes above this, it will give you again a good move. That is what is expected. Now as I am studying this and I am predicting, this may be the low point of this stock, like 84. So all the stocks are about to break out. It can be seen from the price action. Okay, then Nifty PSU Bank, if you see the chart, this is sector chart. Nifty PSU Bank and other Nifty PSU stocks. Okay, all the stocks are on radar. Okay, this is daily chart. So I have identified 3 levels. Okay, so here is the level where strong buying happened. This is weekly chart. So one level I have identified that here around 1880 level. Okay, PSU banks you can buy if it comes to this range 1000. Broadly if you consider 1880 to 1800 is the good buying range. यहाँ पे हम buy कर सकते हैं. तो again the stock or this PSU sector can reach this high point. Okay, after reaching this high point there is a good correction in this. Now this is good opportunity to accumulate PSU bank stocks. So in PSU bank stocks, I'll just delete the lines and I'll show you the strong buying candle. तो यहाँ पे strong buying हुआ था. So now this is in the same range. Now it has come to the same range. Maybe with little correction of 2 to 3 or 5%, we can start accumulating PSU bank stocks. Okay. Canara Bank is one stock. I'll show you. See this. This is the candle where strong buying has happened, which you can see from this point. That it was continuously in downtrend. Suddenly there was interest from buyer side, and the stock made a high. So you can clearly see 1 point resistance, 2 point, 3 point. Now it has come down. So from here it is trying to hold and go up, because here institution buying has happened. Okay. So now we are expecting the stock may again go upside. Then we have PNB. PNB is very slow moving stock, but again if you see the structure over here, and the low point is here, so almost there only. And again from this point we have seen there is strong buying. See, from this it made a high of this point. Okay, then now it is continuously correcting and it is coming down. So by looking at the price action, we feel that it can be good to accumulate this. Okay, so here you can see there is strong buying at this point. So always if you see a strong buying followed up by the stock making a high, okay, buying के साथ stock को high point भी touch करना पड़ेगा, then only we can consider this to be a strong buying. Okay, this is Bank of Baroda, one of my favorite. So see here, this was the point where sudden good buying came after this correction, and see the stock went up, corrected, again went up. Now this is coming down. Here at this point we have a 200 DMA support, and we have this range 58 to 55 range strong buying which has happened. In case if you get this near 60, you can try to accumulate. Try accumulating this, but your stop loss will go slightly below, which will be like 54. Okay, but if you see risk to reward, when you are risking 6 rupees stop loss, okay, from 60 to 100, for 6 rupee you will be getting a reward of 100 rupee. Further, if you can hold it, again it will go upside also. Okay, these are the reasons for that I am referring or studying these stocks, or sharing my study with you people. Okay, yes. So I think that's all from my side. I'll stop recording.